Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Yane eye Sami Jemfi enkasa. Enra eyade press conference call so MPP for so respond to omo press conference womo ye ya Yera Jombuadu ene address ye. Sami bache?
Back. Mejozo.
Meton kanchu abrante.
Enya sem ketua so no mind mu aye den wo bia so a medwane akote.
Ibi aboko de.
Kakra yusu so onya media nka waye na so de ishta ne na mu bro. E don so pi akade onipa beye akade clearing agent na adodanko akufo ado is excellent. Ono so beye ama enye mawie peye.
Mo press conference mo ye MPP for respond to mo say MC ye kaketa hyehyɛ mo nhyɛnde hu mo yie. Ni nyina ne sɛ aban nanado ade ni pie ya anwa wapɛ ɛyɛ adwumaku a tumi ye mra bata na ma mo tumi sɛ mo nye twhwehwɛ mo no mo ye hu twhwehwɛ mo mo so mo sɔre na mo de still ahoma asensan no ko mo sɛ keta hyehyɛ mo de fofore no
Minya MPP for one state institution one back up state institution omo ba yi krono de ba koso krono atensi omo gba na do na ye coach one day one fraud that air koso no omo ma sa state institution na ye hwemu na state institution ye hwemu wie no what see obi say wadi bone na MPP for amamra aye adwuma mo ma be one example pe na fe yan kasa de omo ka no bu debem one example where this government has acted on a report, an investigative report of a state institution into a corruption matter. How much ever happen? Maza, what do I not done? It didn't go. MPP for near some can won't cover no to John Bodu. A human our father no so one country and mean we are paying or bebre pa. Corruption we said defend it easy go. You can defend it or who's mean defend it or try out or services. Before best communicators and now come here when Omunye Jani Akwete or the John Boy say of a respond to Jay. Dear na wakapa, dear pan someone, ye king, dear na John Boy waiting Abeka. Say NDC for can we yanokre. Yes, say Nana Doba ye boast a Ghana Japadia 5 million liters of fuel. According to boast for Kasan Shishemu and Mapenia Bufuat by Amaya who said Sa Omaya Japan MPP for the fact what you council Frakadam council said contamination was a deliberate act according to Boss's own investigation. Number two, contamination necessary register register general in character. Omuni character be also from MP so much years humanity. Companies are no money we access any attorney Japan omo. Your body don't come in more young for procurement law. Your NPA Act so. The thing that according to boss Rifemu, Saja Padia Bebena Edema moving pina, and you zupoyo no, and walk up pre, and the car or mine is son. Or my fafu on in a feeble toe. The Tabian will make you more my gun according to boss's own report. Piano man, and you go for Dwyer home. Report to you the Ayah man on fine and you no crack. Asɛm ba ye yɛn nya nhwehwɛmu mpo wie ye no na na do ne nsɛntrɔfo ekoye nhyiamu wɔ na kakyɛ ɛbɛka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ papa ɔhwɛ ma korɔ no we nyina kɔ so saa mmerɛ no boss amrado Alfredo Ben ɔyɛ innocent na na do ba declare innocent sɛ ne hu so abrɔbɛ ɔnyɛ bɔne bia nti the next yɛ sɛ ɔyɛ clearing agent adi nti na odi ne wakyɛ Yesu Kristo kan no twerɛ kunkun mo sɛ maza wɔnaba any edibe who be akra oye. And quite there and come for no. We are seeing one in the pancasa. Now by ye and our dear ya, Kagana for whom go abaso. Casa de Breba, Okasa also five tired up in because of by your feet. A cracket to a prayer, you say, and Magdana do the port. Why, you are the Magdana of corruption, we are clearing agent, you can't defend it. Some word waiting your with us as a water. On one of my mini abacan over the atta. Page 139 of Sraj reports. In which a more Sraj ye fra Bosnia Bonia can oforiata kwaje $2.25 billion in Kaketwa. Page 139 say ever conflict of interest I can oforiata to But say you follow Ghana Mra, one follow because one come na say baby Uncle Jack for Sabostian. And no pretty. Article 181 Clause 5 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 56 of the Public Financial Management Act, according to SRAD, SRAD is a state institution. Instead of using the report of SRAD, now you can offer the report to the former you would take an offer the Japan, but that was that year or the Ghana. In breach of law, because public asset declaration law, they say, oh, yeah, I buy my opinion. When Japan, number you now, who's the Abamu, now we come to toy Japan for fry, you will say, a chrono there. Can over and another or the NDSC, slide that channel. Or my opinion, also, or use state institutions to fight against corruption. Yeah, no, why? Put in the wire. What or the Ghana, yeah, lawyer, penny, you Janica. And Attorney General and Minister of Justice. One man up court to say, Uncle defend the Kenufuriata, private person against that. And right now, no, Nanado has directed the Attorney General almost fighting SRAD. Their government is fighting SRAD. Now, we have a catcher that will believe in state institution. Kenufuriata on the SRAD in your seven. You can say, Richard Anani, next SRAD in your seven. Kofo, I'm Attorney General who could defend Richard Anani. Richard Anani, I can't find a lawyer. Now, the idea now, also they are buying lawyer in your channel or the number in Riano, Monko fight state institutions, no one defending Riano. Yen Yakiamoko, who we are about the idea, who is a Ghana for your way and in Cosran. Say, I'm using state institutions. Show me one state institution and another than the report I get. Yen Ghana, on one another, Ghana Football Association president, Yakino on tape, or the price I can steer them, I can steer. I said, by evidence, Nana Domamla Juma. Oh, you must take institution, Yadima. Made a macro report on the CID. Amount for so, young Penana, I had dear, young one about so, you bet to be a young lion. Didn't have seen that opposite thing. Nana do I complain that the case, my friend, yeah, because you have done the matter. Papa, what did you go from then and Modeno? He is still walking the streets of Ghana as a free man and originally. But Magari, say, you know me and say on this tape, say, yeah, what's our corona, Cassandra, then someone coming from one of our or be a real body, yet they call court. They require money to remain or buy a nut with after 3 years. Now, do they depend you for corona? Yes, a quarter of you, men, you my best as what you can. The APJ, DPS can. What? PP. Nakokutia kata se said poya papa ikoya and now on sending united and we am more so na ko so poya no for mu company no ye man na dwuma wie no ko for mu you one hwan dia one na yire na konta dia wono agasa gogu Ghana law section 38 of public procurement law so at the 14 contracts among the home in breach of the public procurement law. Or the contract we hear crown of 4 years, Ghana food and so pass what they may ya. Kakosi Suku no 2 about for your fine on a Ghana food and so or the contract new year, you know, and also about top contract, let us say the top panel of this FM 2 by a brand percentage, don't come me, number 2 contract. Or all both Ghana contracts, don't come me. Now, the ministers, a man more contracts. No, at all, a man more contract. Ministry of Special Initiatives in Guam and 4 contracts. Qualified contractors, they work from over pay to my Yakana. Yeah, more contracts, maybe no many. Yeah, they might be on the percentage. I said, be there again on another way. I found. Yeah, my state institution in the Juma. Papa, no cost left you. What if you know? Minia, you try account.
But some of them feel.
Or say, I buy VAT. Yeah, the amount of petrol. Mother, America. The mere fact to say ABJ throw in the documentary was a company in India and a cousin here. Mana said, beside the also, and the cousin, my contact. Mana said, the body being also, I'm me was saying, woman, 60, 40, 50, and no 20, and no 20, I wasn't a year. Yes, I was a yes, I should tell ABJ car. A man a per year, a man a car, a man a diamond. In the face of this evidence of Chrono Awabo. The general manager now, you who feel it that all the price at Castellano. Police in Tibin, and also police in Tibin, or more Raso, or say more, what did I say? Oh, you are celebrating and promoting corruption. Yes, all your clearing agents, I want to ask you. Nancy National Youth Authority. Mr. Sigri ko na ko creative human na Ghana memo ani meba wanye binye. Omo mutifie na omeni tutu aka omunsem because of unemployment. Omunye adumanya wako for man Ghana sikatitire die 45 billion. What the amount company back Preforce Limited one follow procurement law so one follow BPA. And then people meaning that street light bulb shit. Now you see any obi oya obefast where you bulb no and the bulb for fresh one. Ono kwani ya bono woka 90 million. No more ko tech ekoye electrical engineer no kadisi oboka. Obi afaga na sika di say adanse da ho. Yes onko tnefie yen say no. Onko police station. Ye fa no court. Sika na wodi ama company no so yanyama o man no so a na na do yi ni afenche. Over the state institution, auditor general, on your state institution. Auditor general, state institution be na say no. Why you remove 2018? Also finance ministry na na do ma menuaba kenofori ata de dan. Afa Ghana sikati 55 billion OCD, $1 million. E di ama America juma yokuo Crown Associates. So mu nyindi kwa o ma anya juma bia. Ye di sikana ma omo the auditor general report for 2018. For no work done, the senior finance ministry to me respond. In fact, I already even payment from where now. They pay gold and Sakra no money almost sign contract. But yeah, you mama, you know, they get Tiawaka and Sakra and was a contract. Your man contract and a contract and so yeah, yeah, the business camera. Then another way. Sorry, I was in a fight of corruption. If you to set institution. Again, I set institution. What action have you taken on that matter? I said, me and Yaman met Scooby. No, John Mahama, they're not on a manner of the back pocket. Okay. Mahama, or no, they're not watching him. All boss will protect public affairs. What was he talking about? Then another you and I have Yaman on to be now. Also from he should resign today. It is an indictment on him, so Becca said, or no, they want to need to fight corruption. Why? Police, as a way I say, soldier, as a way I say. Attorney General, or no what to me, so they will be court. So when this guy into Mananino, or so when I say, no, not the father, he can hire and fire that person at will. That's what Focodin Samone, Ewokumase. I said, why? Tell him, say, quick, not some buyer. Now, not one man, Attorney General, and go court to say, no, only for Sequai. As I'm the quiet near Chippy, in case in the camp. Now, man, 40 Bonia, who to me to free them. Now, corruption, because only a card out there, not the end of Juma, and you also from Attorney General, one of the Juma. I think this is 45 billion. What they are called Preforce Limited in breach of public procurement law. Why not Kojembra? Majority, Nankojebra. Who to me? Why not Sigri? And Van Famra Council, Namayan Sana Homa from. I am Majority. Who to me? And I order me. But
so what my refers as me to the PPA. So what when you want to show?
As I'm not here when you're not able. I want to walk on only way in or train like the command PPA is a more ratified. And a PPA was a bayan to move at 10 months ago. And some never be asked some cashier, the deputies know about them manababon thing. Yes, is a movie, Massa. Yen say, procurement law, let's say, obey your social who could you approve from PPA before. One project, PPA is one project. It is a movie again.
Okay.
Oh, we are board, yes. They did not work out 3 years. Now, that appointed book chrono, I see on what I'm for say, what is you? Not the idea I have seen. They who on tape. Then the report to Asami Masia, the idea was so saying, it is a movement. On the general, and then the findings about Crow, $1 million, somebody about Crow, and also you remove it. If I general, you remove it. Can offer that, the other side, you remove it. Master Ghana Export Promotion Authority, Auditor General, Nancy, or the man Bruni, no $50 Clement. Could you do my palm of my Ghana, Okoya, or no deputy to Corona Mokobo, and Taria almost from Ghana, Cat and from the Koto, Pepe, coding allowances. Then I want to Ghana of the Pepe in breach of the Auditor General, and thereby I can see any person. Auditor General near state institution. Why any and a report number? But in there, Nanadu 2-1 Amobia, you declare on the Eric 2 Afascan. Eric 2 me was also about our point on government spokesperson. Yes, we are claiming agent out again. Nembran, no. Is there can say no?
Okay. Sami, me yembisa asem bi, me yembisa am say.
And then Jerry, even as I was saying December, Opa, unu producer, Oko Australia embassy. Na mon kasa wo kopɛ visa, ye de be mamoa. Abalu ye kunsem trofo ani na. Eba na say, ye say ye kusi aka ye kodi agro e wo Australia Commonwealth Games. Aban we na ye won hyehyɛ. Aban deputy minister for youth and sports na BBS di na so Pius Agide ne da no. Enti akansi na Ghana fo ye ko bi na wo say de nsem trofo ko. Se say de bia ye no. Na o ma ma Ghana fo hu de ye ko so. Ye won nsem trofo papa wo krom wa say Magari no. Mo spouse present is here amodi omobeko. Na Pius Agide mo atena office ni makura se. Bekum 13 mai wa manafo ho baby. Obi adama bi se masi teki aboabo ni sika no 200 million 300 million. Se fabra ye koje visa connection. Aban panyifo ni agiti amanfo sika koje visa ama mo se mo ye ntrofo. Enti ye frewa kwaku manu ye se wo ni person ni ye ni person for tag atu kumu. Ye frewa ya joy FM, ye frewa ya OKFM ni ye di atutu obuku. Ene ye bi o mo afa plane. Ya de visa ama mo ada Australian embassy. Ebi o ma fa plane ko do Australia. Yes, I'm going to make a maybe. I'm going to Australia for so cry. And you have more return back Ghana. The senior uncle for be one and second sicker. Visa connection for not just Ghana D. About penny for. Open you more and BBS in Nashua on the trail elected the Australian embassy going to this uncle for waiting. So we journalist by your Saturday. Nanado say what clan or near Bonibia. I dear Betsy, I'm an another voter region from Friday. Only say. Pius Agide free voter region voter for the body. I say I really state Pius Agide. That was okay, no problem. And if you move, I want to see the wire or my clear papa. Passage you move report to the brand new Nayan Kaidi near Musa Papa and the Musto. Ebiem, say Pius Agide, yeah. Why na yeah. Why na beside him was here about the Bugan and Central 4. Now see ya Kwakosia kind I will talk you in Central 4 Kwakope. Visa young farmer because of that scandal we now do be seen there were clear but just like they were man post for minister deputy minister for information and on nam and would be amount.
Okay, now Sami adentin as a state institution say yeah dwumadwi and the question president say president na akle Pius Agide the I was citing example CID for na yedwumu no na well adentin na we say yeah president na akle no rather than state institutions
na CID na the CID na nyaban Tiwa adodan kokufu ado why na yen CID boss enye na nado why the bet ye na di enye na nado his excellency na nado dan kokufu ado sorry if I don't add the titles enye o man penyi and was out to me it is our case CID na ya said the CID no Portugal country and na nado ye Ghana enye ye di baba ko CID boss enye na nado he is working for the president. Police Council, Chapter IGP Munina, Interior Minister, and no share. And yet, Bawomiana, chairman of Police Council. If you get a Yakan, Jimuno, Nanado, now the country is CID before you. CID form a country as my remove. Omoye has been sued, dear Yakom, cover up. Omoye report. I don't know where the report of mine. Oma Benya who father the say, CID are clear. And so there was on the report, Oma. But
Ben yet your memo CID you mom the Bible to you.
We investigate and I'm saying fraud. Nanado, Nakra, Power, Penas and Balcon, Black House, the presidential staffer. MPP Western Regional Secretary Charles BC. Yet same with Andy Usu, Chamaun to me, personal assistant. So more bright, no more Boama China for Yagalam. Yet send video tape or Mujisika. When you say you see video. Nana does this year before you. Abra, I now they are saying about my special prosecutor. I'm at Nami do shoot. You see, I'm telling Martinami do shoot. Martinami do trace as him.
Bepacho, and Yana no case CID for you, and you more. A year professor from Pom Boating and now or directing CID so me.
But the bottom line here is that I'm Bruzeri. According to Martinami, also Minister for Interior, and Professor Frimpong Boateng, head of that anti-Galamsey committee.
Yeah.
And the case CID for a parallel investigation to undermine Martinami. Martinami complain. Juma, where you Juma, men announce the petition in Abreme. Give you in our I said, because I'm here, if you want to move, almost said that, you better clear. Oh, we are no patrol report to my thing. CID declare letter, Echo Match has been lawyers. And the report, Echo Mawo.
But send you CID for the debate to a bonnet, Bebajo.
And you say the Abetua Bonten, there was a report. And the other report, you know, Echo Mad, the Wush Moon, I see a clear in your command. And the Pios Agide, so did your way. Who brings the Pios Agide, your bonnet? And I clear no. And I report, and go no farmer bonte, the more say a clear in your body. And I'm a scientist. As we see, and you're not leaking in the amount of legal. Because no person of the bench fans said the cry a claim. It is a report to be on the clear Piosa. Capayos, obviously, why a bonnet? You hear if you will say, almost soon. And now, when out there, need the Babon thing. I'm going to be a Musampa on your Bonivia. Now, the other sign with you. Where, dear, why I hear you more about you? There was out the report, never. Who would you question FP for? I hope you can afford. Who is that? You are worried in cost. What do they take? What do they take us for? Who is that? There is no report. The clearing agent and now the Nanko Kufuano have done it again. That is the truth of the matter. What clear? Look, the person are here can. We are not saying it because they hear this fool. Why? Can they be Japan? So you this. And so and then Corona Mino. I'm an academic communication to make a way on Casama PPM. Or then there, officer who another one Casama officer is which you get right $8,000. Or you this. Attack no, recoup no. Dr. Nyawota people who could die. Neka say. The Corona also. Kofi Bentel, one I say, also one day one fraud. Imani, frankly, Kujo. Onye this in Manasa Zulu, Santoni, or Tabwen DH, and then also Nanado, a back at the Senate for ya. One casta, who street, who be PI, widely in Diana, and Tibet. Obey to Sudo Mahama over you because you are too corrupt.
Okay.
That ambassador, or say, Ghana should consider Ghana beyond corruption and not beyond it. Even ambassadors.
But as someone who are retracted, but still, Moody Union as well, the cancer, are they?
Or retracted who also Waka. What said him?
As someone retracted, was it still Waka?
Or withdraw who? What said him? And Paul Kayan, what's the contest with him, which he said it. As of for one thing, also for Penny Methodist, also for Penny Prasa, so we never also for Reverend Martin, Professor Martin, and another down for far, what is Ocas and another appointed your corrupt. Also, Bempa, poor man, and another Bembe, Omina, my boss in the car, corrupt your alcohol. And then this says, oh, Ghana, now drink Ghana, why you will not think about NDC identity, you will think about your Ghana. LP before you are almost no Ebo or May, say in Trimada, you think about it.
Okay, so maybe a question. Maybe
Center for Democratic Development. Professor President Dano, or Momoni NDC Yaka, Toniza, or Madame for Party MP before. Sanko for you, they are not those some of the report about fair. Ghana, you lose 9.6 billion to corruption. Since Nanado Betra Kunya, so 2017 is in 9.6 billion. Now CSHS in Twayan and another flagship program. Sikaseno, you say 3.6 billion. So you invest 3.6 billion in free SHS and you invest 9.6 billion times 3 in corruption.
Okay, Sammy Janfi, but maybe some question way. Wakasa Munina no, Oka Krono, Wamabokrono, but we a lawyer. I wouldn't say, Obiabo Krono, your quarter pet, and a bit me a dear dance, and no bit me a casse, a simesi, Abokrono, and Tibia, and a switch. But what repeat it, say Wamabokrono,
and another to your mamma, your corruption. Quarter band, the Becca said, or Mahama, Wabokrono, and Nanado no position. Na okase osejo mama yokoro.
It just said the one year will position the mutual so kana.
Oh, member NDC for the moja yi. Na nado na dey red. Into no dey think just be corrupt. No, me ba to akai ye nyanse no. No nya konfo. Ye nyanse akai no nya konfo. What are we talking about? Obokro no dey say wa say nya konfo because ye nse. Abraya what evidence of obokro no. Atai ye bokro no a police for nya the information say we na obokro no. No nya because that is that the logic?
Okay, now maybe second one way.
Bikiama, one of the court and Pamono. Also, Diakeke, or send me my brabo. Minya $1 million I mean your politics be one for my girl one more corner one your booty. Every forecast has him with. I'm a dom, I'm a just and pass. Tika do ya was who paid ye. Ya reya, Ubitna Bibia, and you Ubitna Bibia, and ye. And you're going to Ubitna. Also, my many to know you. And then another call for a more corner. I had some on video. What's your coach? Who's a gun for your win?
Okay. Adenti na se mahu se Sami tie me bisa no.
What did he mean by he's coming to protect the public purse?
Sami Jamfi. Dia me bisa ne se Nanado entimi protect your public purse. Nanado nkrofo abokoro no se dia wo kanya. E de na ese wo Sami Jamfi ho kwan. Se wo bekukura Sami na wo de akwakodan eye court. Na court etima je twetwemu e de aba ho.
Mark, check Article 88 of the 1982 Constitution. Obi Bokro no a criminal matter. Ankwankwa bia no obetimi dia bokọ to ni to me. The owo to me the Attorney General and Minister of Justice. Onu kwa na betimi the criminal matter bokọ. Yetimi de kwa ka me dia koda da mark. Ka okwa ka di biko. To me ye di nyina mananado e no dia ma ni nua ni busuani lawyer kufu. Etikeno for yata bokọ no a no for the penny for who needs to be with me. Okay, yeah, some of the say, now I see no fear. Because the audience are the court to look at you. Master, look, state cats and echoes no. So, 2 meaning, maybe a man another. It is another lie, I did 2 meaning, and say, oh, no, I don't know that. And then another was always from the year, was always resign. That is the issue. I saw one called Duke Bonia, who Jano Kunku, or a tiny, go to Washington. Delta force of what about attack a court. The Tirasem, not with Diamond. Nolly prosecute. Obi Boko Ross, near Casada, and I want to, and I'm what I know they give it to me. I don't have the power. Who has the power? Who has the power? So please.
But when him say Cam board, Shrad report in a buy, you know. A yadia Shrad for you to show me. Na se wo wo ho na se hu se twetwom na Shrad ye no. And Kedi are with him the court. Oh, yeah, way.
It is a wood the charge ye. Na say, what's one in the moon in Yadria? Nipacona fan who to be the court. The one court. Or was all no fan the lawyer, Tianica, not the lawyer who didn't answer. Sarge along a on mine. I saw ye. Sarge is a state institution. It is a or you shall be bimu. No, so I bokrono, and I why you be Tiagana bra. Who and Crano, who to be Faroya, now this side a countryman, no problem. They said, yeah, you know. But who to me, and I said, wouldn't I am Penino, and Fire and Garaya lawyer, they said they can over, you know, Attorney General for the whole state. Now, no could defend who individual against Sarge and state institution. If you do, and you are fighting state institutions, say, Nanado. Report no ne Sarge for Nyadria Mrama the Kwanso to issue white paper. Oba ye o issue white paper dia. So findings of Sarge I came 6 months it came. So I was the same force of law like a high court decision. Then another Mraya Juma was a by now can like a yegin. Nanka all answer questions in court. And again, Coco football ball. Until United for one house, one family, and no magic biasa. And other appointees to Yebi, or with the Deputy General Secretary, Loyal Biboy, I'm quoting him. Or said the Yakosono, and you're grabbing. Now, with Nifagana Sika, 55 billion, not the amount people for Moko Kipus, Namafankoya Congress. What is another one? Look, corruption, the entire lose battle, I say. Or Mampenina Casta wasn't cut, or fight the corruption. Or no Casta Yebio. Or no Casta or no Casta Yebi. Said they maybe can get India and appointees there.
Dear no man penny.
Okay.
Me say dear now so man penny.
So can I marry thee? Now the position there no can. I said no mama you come for. No the $150 million at the so me boy. It was panic. No more we come because they're fraudulent. Now do buy a can for I don't see a bra. Na you use no mama you come for. See ne unya dance here. Why you be able to say say monochrono? Young go down sorry. Nana do say oh I married the crowd. Me person me dey come to the full rubber. Now I will be free and married say na I will be here. And me dey na papa. Nanado say, insisaya no. Or the ma company I friend of miscellaneous. Na open tendo. And don't me ma or no one cabinet ministers. And agreement in him. And BBI. So instead of cabinet approval, no, or no, adding it to me as Omampenia Stamposo, executive approval or the amount miscellaneous. Yes, I do my name. Agreement you could do my bedroom, then this for one my bedroom. Say, yes, you can. Yeah, correction more. Now you go with another the $800 million across the baby or the after the other so $800 million and one amount the after so. You know this, you know it is a fact. Except about one thing, Ebekaya. Institute for Energy Security, about one thing, Imani, about one thing, Minority saying another $800 million. You can't be say, why do you want to steal it from the people of Ghana? Nanado say, I was misled. Into my red draw agreement, a cross and my cat, Namene. Now, Nim, the Ghana, you were kind, you're friend of the crime of attempt. Attempt to steal is stealing. Attempt to kill is killing.
I was misled, you know, a Daily Statesman, they can't say, according to our source, and the son of Mokasa President Taka.
Now, Daily Statesman, only more, or where you for. Now, you used to be the editor of Daily Statesman, only the editor.
And we need the fact to say, Nadia.
I'm giving you information check. He used to be the editor. Never fast here, the most powerful prime minister, no? Gabriel Chedako, and you're not a managing editor for kind of the Daily Statesman. So the statesman, okay, if you was not anymore, I don't know another red draw argument. I don't know red draw. So man penny, one casa, one man or cabinet if one shadi with one amount. One copy cabinet approval. Now one go say them. Now also open them. It one executive approval. Say they $800 million now. They are to the na this is what they free and in your what show. It's a funny years when you check. Kakoro kesi out the boy on $800 million. Nene, that's all your clearing agent. I won't pay.
Okay.
Agent their channel. Because what is going on, the corruption, the negative, you know, he is the commander in chief of Kahubi. On another in the coach. And all coach team, you know, and on one air matches. Every corruption, trophy, corruption, I can see.
All right.
ABJ, age number 7. And a secret number 9. So, and Alfred Obey, goalkeeper. And I give the Clenam in Eric 2. Where would you have 5 or Butantim, Utun and 2? The Rock of Gibraltar. And Omobo, corruption matches. And another Nankasa, now so you need to coach, Okuchiomo. Corruption is everywhere. Meaning, Ghana. What will be that? Every day, another scandal. Every day. 9.6 billion.
Okay.
They're wasting on corruption.
Sammy?
And then I pay for the form.
Okay.
So because you see any guy they tompa. Yet Nanado are wasting 9.6 billion on corruption.
But Sammy, but maybe so. Jabrenite, Mammy for Wimbrum. I am not kasi and then the baby says I pay for that form or a yokolebua. And yan and Siana pay for Babada for more for much. I'm also about Momo pay. At the end of my year, at the farm was a mobile Yesica, but I'm the Tompa de Aguazicolebo.
Who's that red hospital, John Mercy? Hospital for fair hotel now,
does it mean say and Tessa Columbia didn't pack Juana?
University of Ghana Medical Center, who said your mama, will see the best health facility hospital in the whole of West Africa. Who say Bank of Ghana Hospital, over Labonia, who said your mama hospital, let's go. Kwasante Richie Kumawu, for Mena Pepper, Afari say, what hospital projects are not on Mahamesi. Now, about the self for. What be dear Kunya? What be 12 Japadi winner? Yet see hospital amount. Oh, by you, what's your wood in the woody? Who didn't want to consumption? Who see hospital nibi? Obi Doma Messi, you can say that's what I have. We see. Be a keke. Nagana for what fire revenge in Colombo, Papa. Nanado, you won't be. To us, okay. And then we're not quiet, bring two and after hospital. Now, they come who you a casa and a sabotage. For me, I hear a casa and a sabotage. So if you are abandoning projects, and you are wasting money on corruption, how's my anchor?
All right, Sammy. Yada say bring it here for community here. Yada say when you akasa. Jane National Communication Officer Dema NDC. Eje Sammy Jemfi and yene no we din komo no.
Wotie Oha Echi Pongno. Needs FM.